In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to your Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so for this demonstration, open up your Google Wallet. Now from here, we'll be brought to the main page of inside Google Wallet. Now we've got a couple of different ways to do it, but the best way I like to add a gift card is where it says add to wallet, bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then from here, it will say add to wallet again. They got payment card, transport card, loyalty card, gift card. Go ahead and click on a gift card. And now you can manually find that gift card to add into your wallet. So you just scroll down, try and find it. If not, you can click on where it says search gift cards, put in that gift card company's name, and then click onto it and then add the gift card there. So for example, if I've got a Bunnings Australian gift card, I'm going to click onto Bunnings Australia. Now I'm going to put in the card number, the PIN, the balance, and your notes, and then click on add to wallet. Each gift card is a bit different. So if I click on Woolworths Australia, it will be card number, PIN, etc., and then click add to wallet. Yeah, so it's as simple as that, how to add a gift card to your Google Wallet.